We are back with Christopher Cook from Alliance Insurance Services. He's answering your insurance-related questions. We got the number at the bottom of the screen there. All right, this person says, if someone is retiring in spring of 2025, will they be able to get supplemental health insurance at that time without penalty?
Yeah, this is a really good question. So as you turn 65 and you become eligible for Medicare, you have the opportunity to enroll. So that is now for this person. You've got 3 months before your birth date and 3 months after. So yes, you will have the chance to enroll in a Medicare supplement at that time. You need to enroll in an individual under 65 Affordable Care Act plan now, and then switch over to a supplement when you turn 65.
Okay, this person says, I have my kids as riders on my life insurance policy. Does that end when they turn 18?
It depends on the company that you bought the policy from, but in general terms, yes, it ends when they become dependents. Companies define that differently. It may be when they're 22 or when they get out of college, but for the most part, just simplify it, yes, it will end. Thankfully, you have the right to convert that, meaning you can turn it into their own policy automatically through a conversation with your life insurance company, and you don't have to answer any health questions. They don't have to prove they're still healthy, any of that. You need to make contact with that carrier if you want them to still have life insurance.
Okay. This person says, my insurer told me that I didn't qualify to purchase flood insurance because I don't live in a high-risk area for flood. Is that standard? What should I be doing next?
Call somebody else that knows what they're talking about.
Plain and simple, there is that, because if you want flood insurance, you can get flood insurance.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. This person says, is there an auto homeowner insurance cost range that companies must stay within? Because I just found out that my insurance company has been charging me double for car insurance.
There is in North Carolina, and so this is state specific. In North Carolina, there is a rate that you are allowed to charge up to without notifying the customer that you're going to have to charge in excess of that. Many of our homeowners and auto insurance carriers are having to charge in excess of the state rate in order to maintain profitability, candidly. But you are getting notice of that by statute, via mail, or via your policy delivery. I'd have to have a whole lot more context to the they've been charging me double part. They may be charging you more than another carrier. And I'm not really sure what that means, but there is a range. They can charge in excess of that. They have to notify you that they are doing so, and all carriers in our state do notify.
All right. Speaking of car and insurance, let's talk about rental cars, because like I know, I'm going on vacation soon. We're renting a rental car. And when folks say, hey, do you want our extra insurance? You should say what?
I hate it depends. So I'll go with the majority answer of, well, it depends.
But explain.
Yeah, you may have that coverage on your auto insurance policy. If you have collision insurance, then the collision insurance will transfer to that rental car. What does not transfer is the loss of income to the rental car agency if you have a wreck. To make it complicated, some insurance companies actually offer the endorsement that would cover their loss of income, but not many of them. So if you're confident that you can pay for the lost income to the rental car agency, if you make a mistake, then say no. But unfortunately, it's complicated. It depends.
And you should probably say yes, so that you don't have to pay the extra stuff. I understand. I got you. Okay. Well, we appreciate your time and your expertise. Thank you so much, Christopher Cook from Alliance Insurance Services. If you missed any of this, you can find it in the Two Wants to Know section of our website.